Good morning, everyone. I want to make a urgent warning for the people that live on the Breede River system or close to the Breede River. The forecast for the Breede River was initially that the floodwaters would get to 1,200 cubic meters per second, and then later it was reduced to 1,000 cubic meters per second. This is what the gauges are showing at the moment. However, a news report was put out, an urgent flood warning for the Robertson area, and obviously I'm thinking of the places downstream all the way down to the coast, where people have said that they've had to evacuate their homes at 12 last night. And this is in the Upper Breede River near Alfalfa. And this was last night at 12 o'clock. The river rose 1 kilometer in less than 5 hours to reach us. For context, the flood 2 years ago took more than 12 hours to reach us 1 kilometer away. So it's a long way from the riverbed itself. This flood is moving faster and stronger than the one 2 years ago with a significantly larger volume of water. The report says we are not experts, but it is clear that much more water is still on its way. The river level was rising 10 centimeters every 10 minutes. So it's about 60 centimeters every hour. When they left, we had to walk out in waist-deep water. This is out of their homes. In over 100 years, locals have never seen this much water in the area. So initially I reported that the predictions have actually improved. However, the reports on the ground is that this is once in 100-year flood, which bids quite bad news for people further down the river. I've said that if the rain forecast would actually all end up in this river system, the Breede River system, that it's even possible that the water could get to the bridge on the N2 near Swellen Dam. So please, if you're living on that river or anywhere near Witstrand where the river runs out into the sea, make plans right now. People in this emergency post said, please leave now and stay safe. It is far better to evacuate early than to be caught. So most of the locals have never seen that much water. This is in the upper reaches near Robertson. That water will obviously make its way down. So please, if you know anyone in that area that live close to the Breede River, within the 100-year flood zone, reports from Upper River near Robertson is saying that this is a never before seen event. So please take care and save yourself. If you're within that flood zone, evacuate now.